What's going on, YouTube world? It's your boy Tommy Guns back with another video. Yesterday did an off-body carry video with the Patagonia Atom 8L. Today I'm gonna do what I carry around when I have the use of a gun belt or an EDC belt, whatever you want to call it. There's only two things it's interchangeable between my off-body, my bag, and my person. So obviously my wallet and spare mag. I do have other mags. I don't know. I just like doing that. Anyway, let's get into it. Start with the front pockets. Let's start with front pocket. For front left, you have your Glock 17 mag, as I said, interchangeable. Got another Neo mag magazine holder, double magnet, I should say. Good piece of kit. Front right pocket, have little Olight EOS, 3T EOS. Good little light. Use this light probably like the most out there. Then we have Olight Pen 2. Like I said, in a pinch, could be used as a blunt tool. Next, front right pocket, have the Gerber 06 Auto in multicam. Great knife, a little bit hefty, but hey, it is what it is. Great steel S30V, can't go wrong. That's it for the front pockets. On my belt from ShivWorks, I have get it out. Got the clinch pick, self-defense tool. Nasty piece of kit. This is reverse blade. Get it with either hand, right on my belt, and they make a good sheath with it. Good Kydex sheath. Shout out to ShivWorks. Back right pocket, I have my wallet by Hellbent Holsters, El Diablito. Left back pocket, of course, you gotta have a tourniquet. I don't have bandages or anything. I just carry a tourniquet with me. This is a soft T tourniquet, and I have it with Ranger bands. Back left pocket, you have your Modlite PLH V2 with a Therum attachment. Bright light. Like I said, 2 is 1, 1 is none. And certainly last but not least, in a Tenacore, I want to say it's a light bearing holster. I'm not sure the name of it. I think it's like Lux or some shit like that. Anyway, have your Glock 19 Gen 3. I like this holster. With a TLR 7, Ameriglow night sights. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share. Have a great day. Peace.